Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to hide a board in monday.com. So if there's a board that you like to hide, there are two ways to do so. The first one is, if you see here, there is a button called hide. Now what it does is it doesn't actually hide the board, but it hides all of its contents. So let me show you. If I click hide and if I click uncheck all columns, you see all the columns, the data has disappeared. So this is one way to hide the contents but not the actual board. And if I click it back, all the data will be back. So this is one way to hide items in monday.com. The other way is to hide the actual board. So as you can see, there is this new board one, and now I'm going to hide it. So all I have to do is to click these three dots right next to the board and then press archive. So what this is gonna do is it's basically gonna hide this board. So now under boards we only have one board. The other board that we just archived is now hidden. Now in order to get that board back, all you have to do is in main workspace, click on these three dots and click on view archive and trash and then archive. Here you see the board that we just archived. So if you want to get it back, just check it and just click restore, and that will restore it and bring it back. So as you can see, new board one has now been added. So in this way you can archive boards to hide them, or then you can restore them if you want to bring them back. So guys, these are two ways to hide items in monday.com. I hope this tutorial helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.